Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to customize a screen color temperature in Realme 14 Pro phone. So first of all, we need to go to our phone settings. Then in settings, we need to scroll down to display and brightness menu. Then we need to scroll again, and here we have screen color mode menu. We need to open it, and first of all, we have a few presets here that we can change. And here we have the screen color temperature. So by default, the phone is using a default option. We can choose a warm preset, a cold preset. The default option is always available if we mess up. And of course, we can pick a custom option if we want to. I will go back to the default. And that's all. Goodbye.